Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. The process is really simple. First, make sure that you are connected with internet. Once you are connected with internet, go and open your Instagram app. Then tap on the profile icon at the right bottom corner of your screen. At the profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. In settings, tap on help. In help, you can see four options. Tap on the second option, help center. At the help center page, tap on the three horizontal lines again. Here, tap on the second option, manage your account. And then here, tap on delete your account. And here it asks, how do I delete your account? Tap on the second option. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of delete your account. Tap on it. Then give the reason why you want to delete your account. Give any reason. Then re-enter your password. After that, tap on delete account. It asks you, are you sure you want to delete your account? Then tap on OK. So in this way you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So this was a process by which you can delete your Instagram account permanently. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.